Welcome to our channel. Today we're unraveling the secrets of making passive income. Passive income, my friends, is the holy grail of personal finance. It's money that you earn with little to no daily effort, allowing you to focus on what truly matters in your life, be it spending more time with your family, traveling the world, or even pursuing a passion project. Sounds like a dream, right? But it's a dream that can become a reality. Now let's get one thing straight. Passive income isn't about getting something for nothing. It often requires an upfront investment, whether it's your time, money, or both. But once that initial effort is made, the income stream can become self-sustaining, generating revenue for you while you sleep, eat, and live your life. So why is passive income beneficial? Well, for starters, it provides financial security. It's no secret that relying solely on a single income stream, such as a 9-to-5 job, can be risky. Life is unpredictable, and having multiple income streams can cushion the blow of unexpected events like job loss or health issues. Moreover, passive income can accelerate your journey to financial independence. Every dollar you earn passively is a dollar you don't have to work for, bringing you one step closer to the day when your income from passive sources exceeds your living expenses. Imagine that, being able to live your life on your own terms, free from financial stress. And let's not forget the incredible sense of accomplishment that comes from creating a successful passive income stream. It's a testament to your hard work, ingenuity, and financial acumen. It's proof that you've mastered one of the fundamental principles of wealth building, which is to make your money work for you. So, are you ready to explore the avenues to making passive income? Stay tuned! Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us, and remember to comment and share. There are numerous methods to earn passive income. Let's delve into some of the most effective ones. First off, we have investing in stocks. This is a popular form of passive income because once you've done your research and made your investment, you can sit back and let your money work for you. With the magic of compounding, your investment can grow exponentially over time. However, it's important to note that investing in stocks does carry risk, and it's crucial to diversify your portfolio to mitigate this risk. Next, there's real estate investment. This involves purchasing properties and then renting them out. The rent you collect becomes a steady stream of passive income. It might require a significant upfront investment, but the rewards can be substantial. Whether it's residential or commercial real estate, the key is to find properties in good locations that will attract reliable tenants. Another method is starting a blog or writing a book. These avenues might require a lot of work up front, but once they're up and running, they can generate income while you sleep. If you have a particular area of expertise or a story to tell, why not share it with the world and earn money while doing it? With a blog, you can make money through advertising revenue, affiliate marketing, or selling your own products or services. Writing a book and selling it online can also be a great source of residual income. However, it's essential to remember that not all passive income methods will be suitable for everyone. Your choice should align with your interests, skills, and financial goals. For example, if you're passionate about a specific topic and love writing, starting a blog might be your best bet. On the other hand, if you're more interested in financial markets, investing in stocks could be a better fit. Remember, the key is to find what works for you and aligns with your interests and skills. Investing in stocks and bonds is one of the most common ways of earning passive income. It's like planting a money tree in your backyard. Once it's mature, it can provide a steady stream of income without much effort on your part. But how does it work? Well, when you buy a stock, you're essentially buying a small piece of a company. If the company does well, the value of your stock goes up and you can sell it for a profit. Even better, some companies pay dividends, which is a portion of their profits distributed to shareholders. This is where the passive income comes in. You buy the stock, hold on to it, and collect the dividends, all without lifting a finger. Bonds, on the other hand, are like IOUs. When you buy a bond, you're lending money to a corporation or government. In return, they promise to pay you back with interest. The interest payments are your passive income. But here's the catch. Investing in stocks and bonds isn't a guaranteed money tree. It's risky. The value of stocks can go down as well as up, and companies can stop paying dividends. Similarly, bonds carry the risk of default, which means the borrower can't pay you back. This is where research and understanding the market come in. Before you invest, it's crucial to study the company or government issuing the stock or bond. Look at their financial health. their track record, their leadership. In the case of stocks, investigate the company's profitability and dividend history. For bonds, examine the issuer's credit rating and the bond's yield, or interest rate. And remember, it's not about quick gains. Investing is a long-term game. The stock market has its ups and downs, and bond yields fluctuate with interest rates. You need to stay the course, weather the storms, and let your investments grow over time. Investing is a skill, and like any skill, it takes time to master. So, patience is crucial. Keep learning, keep investing, and in time, you'll see the fruit of your money tree. Real estate can be a lucrative avenue for passive income if done right. Let's delve into the world of bricks and mortar. Investing in real estate, specifically rental properties, can provide a steady income stream. Imagine owning a property and having tenants who pay rent. That rent covers your mortgage, any maintenance costs, and still leaves you with a profit each month. It's like having a business that operates and generates income without you needing to be there every day. But hold on, it's not all roses. There are potential challenges to consider. Property maintenance, dealing with tenants, and market fluctuations can all play a part. It's crucial to do your homework and understand the market before jumping in. For those of you who are thinking, that sounds great, but I don't want to deal with tenants or fix leaky faucets, there's another option. Meet REITs, or Real Estate Investment Trusts. REITs are companies that own, operate, or finance income-generating real estate. By investing in a REIT, you're basically buying shares in a company that manages real estate. It's a little like investing in stocks, but instead of buying shares in a tech company, you're buying shares in a portfolio of properties. What's the advantage, you ask? Well, REITs can offer a way to invest in real estate without the need to own physical properties. Plus, they often pay out dividends, which can provide a regular income stream. One more thing to note, investing in real estate, whether it's rental properties or REITs, often requires a significant upfront investment. We're talking potentially tens of thousands of dollars. But remember, it's an investment. Over time, as your property appreciates in value or your REITs pay out dividends, you can recoup your initial investment and then some. Real estate investment requires a significant upfront investment, but the returns can be worth it. So if you're looking for a more hands-on approach to passive income, real estate could be your ticket to financial freedom. If you have a knack for writing, blogging, or writing a book can be your ticket to passive income. Now this might sound like a dream come true, but let's break it down to understand how it works. When you start a blog or write a book, you are essentially creating a product. This product, whether it's an informative blog post or an engaging novel, has the potential to generate income long after you've completed it. This is the essence of passive income. Work once, earn many times. So how does the money flow in? With a blog, it's primarily from advertising revenue. Once your blog starts getting a decent amount of traffic, you can monetize it with ads. Every time a visitor to your blog views or clicks on these ads, you earn a small amount. Over time, with enough traffic, these small amounts can add up to a significant income. Writing a book, on the other hand, generates passive income through royalties. Every time someone purchases your book, you earn a royalty. This is true whether you self-publish or go through a traditional publisher, and with the advent of ebooks and audiobooks, there are now more avenues than ever to reach readers and earn royalties. But here's the catch. To attract readers and generate income, you need to choose a topic you're passionate about. Passion translates into authenticity, and readers can sense this. Whether it's a blog about baking gluten-free treats or a book about your journey as an entrepreneur, if you're passionate about your topic, your readers will be too. This passion fuels consistent content creation, which is key to building and maintaining an audience. And remember, in the world of blogging and book writing, your audience is your income. Remember, content is king. The more valuable your content, the more readers you attract, leading to more income. So, find your passion, start writing, and let the passive income flow. Starting a side business is another excellent way to create passive income. This path to earning extra dollars doesn't necessarily mean you need to quit your day job. In fact, many successful side businesses started as hobbies or passions that blossomed into profitable ventures. Take dropshipping, for instance. This e-commerce business model allows you to sell products directly to consumers without ever holding any inventory. You simply set up an online store, partner with a supplier, and they ship the products directly to your customers on your behalf. The beauty of dropshipping is that it requires minimal upfront investment, making it an accessible option for many budding entrepreneurs. Next on the list is affiliate marketing. This is a performance-based business where you earn commissions for promoting someone else's products or services on your website or social media platform. The key here is to choose products that align with your audience's interests and needs. For example, if you run a fitness blog, you might partner with a company selling workout gear or nutritional supplements. Every time someone makes a purchase using your affiliate link, you earn a commission. Another viable side business idea is creating an online course. If you're an expert in a particular field or have a unique skill, why not share your knowledge with the world? Online learning platforms like Udemy or Coursera make it easy for anyone to create and sell courses on a variety of subjects. From coding to cooking, the possibilities are endless. Remember, starting a side business does require some upfront effort and time. You'll need to research your market, set up your business, and promote your products or services. However, once everything is in place, your side business can provide a steady stream of passive income. It's a beautiful thing when your passion not only enriches your life but also your wallet. A side business requires effort and time initially, but once set up, it can provide a steady stream of passive income. So these are just a few ways to generate passive income. The possibilities are indeed endless. As we wrap up our journey through the world of passive income, let's take a moment to revisit the key takeaways from our exploration. We've journeyed through various avenues, each with its unique potential and challenges. Firstly, we delved into the realm of stocks and bonds. We discovered that while investing in these financial instruments can indeed be a lucrative venture, it's not without its risks. It's crucial to research and understand the market trends, make informed decisions, and most importantly, be patient. The stock market isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long-term investment strategy that requires patience, persistence, and a steady nerve. Next, we stepped into the world of real estate investment. This avenue can be a gold mine of passive income if done correctly. Whether it's rental properties or investing in real estate investment trusts, the key lies in understanding the market, finding the right property, and managing it effectively. Then we ventured into the creative space of blogging and book writing. The beauty of these methods is that they allow you to earn passive income by sharing your knowledge, experiences, or stories with the world. However, the success of these ventures relies heavily on the quality of your content and your ability to market it effectively. Lastly, we explored the potential of starting a side business. This could be anything from an online store to a consulting service. The beauty of a side business is that it provides an opportunity to turn a hobby or a passion into a revenue stream. However, it requires dedication, hard work, and a well-thought-out business plan. In all these avenues, 3 elements stood out as critical to success: thorough research, relentless patience, and unwavering persistence. Creating a stream of passive income is not an overnight affair. It's a journey that requires time, effort, and a lot of learning along the way. Remember, the path to financial freedom is not a sprint. It's a marathon. It's not about making a quick buck. It's about building sustainable income streams that can support you in the long run. And while the road may be challenging, the rewards can be truly life-changing. So whether you're an entrepreneur looking for ways to diversify your income, or someone simply aiming for financial freedom, I hope you found this guide to passive income insightful and inspiring. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others. Stay tuned for more informative videos on how to maximize your income and live a financially free life.